got this on the mail. Let's check it out. We got a USB cable, phone, KM14 Bluetooth keyboard. Here's the manual. What's in the box? It comes with a cable and a case. Everything seems simple. These simple instructions, which this part I don't understand why they couldn't just add it here, probably at the back, instead of just putting it in a separate paper. Gives you the instructions of how to separate the keyboard and the case, so you can have both separate or you can have them together. That part I don't get. Has a warranty, if you can see, from 60 days and 18 days. If you go online and register it, you get an extra 30. The keyboards are actually pretty easy to do. Simple, as you can see. Simple thing. I already connected it. Let's disconnect it. Simple to disconnect. Has magnets in the back, has magnets in the front, so that can be easy to connect. If you want to use it separate, you can use it this way, or you can use it another way. Now, my only issue is to reconnect it. Now, I'm a grown man. Some people might be able to put this faster than others, but me, as you can see, I really have to push this in just to get it in. But that's the good thing about this product, that you could, if you don't want to have the whole thing, you don't want to have the keyboards with you, just disconnect it. Now for right now, if you can see, it has a cap space, so you can have large caps. Has the Bluetooth, which I already connected it, and has the power. Now everything seems for small little hands or big hands. Some people will be easy to use. As you can see, I could type everything pretty quick. Seems really simple to use. It's a very easy product to use, and I actually like it a lot. Very simple. Like I said, it has magnets, if you can hear it. It has magnets in both spots. Everything in the product. You could charge your own cables. Has two cables to charge the product, volume, camera, and a turn off from up here. So everything's very simple to use. Now we're gonna test it. Right here, it's already connected. Now let's try this out. Has a little place to hold it. It's not that bad, you know. Has magnets on the sides, so it closes easily. Simple, turns on, turns off. It's a good device. See the camera? See everything. Do I recommend it? Yeah. I'm gonna put the link below in the description so you can buy yourself your own here at Amazon. It's a pretty good product. I actually like it a lot, and I think my nephew's gonna like it a lot, because more likely he's the one who's gonna be using it than me. Subscribe, like the video please, it helps me out a lot. We'll be uploading more videos soon of other unboxings, other stuff that I bought around from Comic Cons and other places. Those will be coming soon.